What is going on, guys? Today we are on a special use permit again for the first time, or it's actually second time this season. We scouted this area, or my buddy actually scouted this area for me, and so hopefully we get an awesome bag today. Before we start, please like, follow, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. We are going to be posting pretty much twice a week to catch up, but please hit that subscribe button. When it's shooting light, I will see you on the dome. Oh, it came in from over there. Now we just needed ducks to do that. Yep. Coming in for a landing here. Goofy ass bird. Yeah, there's like probably like 4 or 5 teal went straight across. Hard to see. I would have never attempted it. What the hell was that? God damn. Scared the piss out of me. Where'd it come from? Oh shit.
Ready?
I thought you were shooting at a big bird for a second.
I think he did.
Oh yeah, and tumbled him. So, kind of legend. That's pretty cool. Cool looking bird. I had no idea. Hey, hold on.
Huh?
Stay over there real quick. Damn it. He might come back. Oh, a bird came in and out. Yeah, it is. What'd you get? Ringer? It is. It's stud too. There you go. Still juvenile widgeon. Pretty cool looking bird, man. Dude, it was like he was coming in for a landing.
He was coming in perfect.
Huh?
He was coming in perfect.
I know. So we each have 2 birds, right? Oh, fuck.
I got a ringer and a widgeon, you got a ringer and a widgeon.
I mean, this fog keeps us on the toes, though. I didn't want to shoot over you, you know what I mean? Or ring you. You did? The coots are like, what the hell was that? Good shot. Another widgeon. Okay guys, I am in the office recording this because we have experienced some technical difficulties. I get back, I go to upload all the footage. About an hour into it, GoPro freezes just on one single frame and just records audio now. I don't know what happened or whatever, but it was a pretty good hunt. We ended up with a 2-man limit. I would like to show you everything, but we ended up with total, between me and my buddy, we had 3 widgeon, 1 blue-winged teal, and all the rest were ringers. But it was a fun shoot. If you want to see some pictures, I have uploaded them on Instagram. You can go check them out at SoFlo Outdoors on Instagram or SoFlo Waterfowlers on Instagram. So make sure to check it out. But that's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate everybody watching and liking and subscribing. So please, if you see this video, like, share, subscribe. Do what you got to do. I'm out.